Hey guys, Badri here. I'm going to do a quick explainer video of how to do Facebook posts right from Crigloo. Let me share my screen right now. So when you log into the system, you're going to see the 6-pack. Go ahead and click on publish post, which is on the top right. Click that. And you see there's a place for loading an image and you can put the message in there. I'm going to pick an image. I'm going to pick an image which is going to explain Google Tag Manager. That's the image I'm going to load. Okay, it's uploading. So as it's uploading, we can write the message. So we can say Crigloo GTM explainer video. I'm also going to say Appsumo Lifetime deal because that's going on right now. So that's all we're going to say. Now, with these two messages, now we're going to say, put the website in. So www.crigloo.com. And you can put in your particular website. Call to action, we're going to leave it at learn more. That should be good. And the image is good because it says the sizes are okay. And if everything is fine, it's just go ahead and publish post right from here. That's all there is to it. It's fairly simple right from the tool. Post successful. Okay, that's great. Now we're going to go ahead and look at the Facebook page. I'm going to refresh my Facebook page. Hopefully this is going to come up. Okay, yep, there you go. So you can see that it's there, and this is how you post right from here. Thank you, guys.